Another day of Swift challenges. Today your challenge is to add a text field to a view and detect when the text changes. All right, good luck. Pause now if you're going to do it. If not, let's do it together. So open up Xcode, create a single view app. That's it there. TextField demo, I'll call it. I'll add on the desktop. Let's add our text field to the view. So click on Main Storyboard, go to your library. Actually, if you tap on the view, then click on that. Click on text field, press Enter. We'll put it in there for you. Let's give it some constraints. Practice doing that. So we go top space to safe, and I'm going to center it horizontally, pressing Shift, and I think I want to keep the width, because that just changed the width of it then, didn't it? That's no good. It's very strange it does that. And then I'm just going to update the constraints here. So it should still have the same ones, hopefully. There's an error there. Expected. So you can do these two. I'm going to update. There we go, that should fix it. No, it's still, that error's still there. Reset to suggested. Try that. I just don't like that one. It'll push it all the way over in a different view. That's the only thing. That one's what that's set to. So all I'm just going to do, I'm going to get rid of that one and not worry about the warning. As long as it's in the middle, I'm happy. That bug's still happening because I've got an extra screen open or something. Weird. Okay, so that's done. Now we have to hook it up. So we go to our assistant. And actually over here, if you can't get the view and can't see it, you can actually do it from within this side panel here of the view controller scene. We'll go to that one, drag from it into our view controller. We'll call it like a username text field. TF. All right, and we need to detect when the text field changes. There's a delegate method, and the delegate method just makes it really easy to access. There it is, UI text field delegate. Access the built-in methods that are related to this text field. So if you add that, and then now when I type into here, it'll give me all the text field options. So you've got did end editing, field should clear, and their bool functions, did end editing, things like that. Now I want the one where it did change. Just going to find that. There it is there, should change characters. That's the one we want. It's quite epically big. But that's okay. And at the end of this one, return true. And what we want to do is access the text. So what we're just going to do is print. And built into this, it accesses the text field here. So we just type that in, text field dot text. We're going to print it when it receives those changes. Now, to associate this text field to that delegate method, we have to do this. Where is it? Username text field dot delegate equals self. And that'll access the self. That's where that is. And run this. iPhone XR today. All right, cool. So there's a few steps there. Add the UI text field delegate. add this function, which you can just type in and find. It's the should change character in range. And then you've got replacement strings, so you can access all those things. Change characters, like you could probably use that to stop someone using numbers and adding that to your text field, but you can do that. Let's have a look at the text field attribute inspector. And you can actually change what the keyboard type is down here. You can have spell checking, you can turn that on and off. The return key does something. There's quite a lot of options there. So just say you wanted numbers, you go there and select the number pad. Where is it? There it is there. But we want to type in it and see everything. It's still, here we go. And when we type in it, we should get it printing to the debugger. Oh, I've got to fix that width. So see how it's really small? So what you do is Control, drag, drop in there and just select width, and that'll set it to the same width every time. It also gets rid of one of those errors that was appearing. There we go, and there we go, and then we've got D's appearing. It's kind of strange when you press A, it's only when it detects the second A. The first A is empty, and the next one, I might try force unwrapping this and see what happens. A. So it always detects afterwards, which is, so when I press L again, it'll detect that. So if I did LL, enter, let's see, LL, I don't want to do LOL, enter. So when you press enter, that will be the finish of the text field should change characters and range. Maybe there's a better one. We can have a look. Did begin editing. Should end editing. That's about it, really. Well, we achieved our goal. We just have to figure out how to get around that where it's printing the text field, but you might want to use a button that will be the enter key. The other thing I want to show you too is in here the text field's not popping out. I'm using my hardware text board. So click on the simulator, go to hardware, and you can toggle the inbuilt software keyboard. So now we're using the one that's built in here. Let's see if I press H and H again. So double HG. And if I press return, it'll finish that off. Yeah, so that's our goal for today. I hope you got that. Well done if you did. If not, don't worry. You can watch this. Anyway, have a good one. Thanks a lot. Bye.